Hey guys, welcome back to another video. We're here at Chaplin Bay and today we're out here for a picnic. It's mom, that's Jeanette, and then we have dad. He's gonna do amberjack, right?
Right.
Alright, amberjack, and we also have some barbecue chicken, pork, and like baked macaroni that we're gonna eat later on as well. Let's get to it.
So we're gonna do the cooking today with the amberjack. I got the amberjack here. I already been chopped. What we're gonna do is we're gonna fry the amberjack crispy, make into cakes and fry it crispy. Also, we have the deep fried potato pears. So start now. We got garlic, sugar, and we got fish sauce. Just 1 tablespoon. Maybe this. Yeah. And a little bit of salt. Pepper. And we got the garlic chives. Goes together. Okay. Now I'm gonna use my hand now because I'm gonna spoon it later on. The breadcrumbs. Okay. We're gonna take just 1 spoon of this and then we form it into a bowl. Okay. Just like that. And then you're gonna press it, turn into a cake. It's a small cake, it's a small mini cake. That would be easier than to make it crispy when you fry it. So like that, and pull that. Okay, yeah. Make it into a ball. You're gonna roll and roll, and then press it. Yeah. That.
Hindi tayo nagdala ng
Oh, I think it's gonna be about to cook.
Alright guys, so let's give it a try. Oh.
Itong sauce, Itik mo sa sauce man.
As well. And nice and crunchy, Dad.
Itik mo sa sauce. Paano magkalasa yan? Andito yung lasa. So with our crispy amberjack cakes goes with the deep fried potato pears. Okay. This already been cooked. Okay. You're gonna mash it until you know. Oh, that's mashed now. We're gonna add some butter. Okay. And some nutmeg. We got the whole nutmeg. We're gonna crush it to give the flavor for the cake. So I got a little bit of white pepper, salt, okay, and we're gonna add chop almonds. Just make it crunchy, you know. Cut. Okay, I'm gonna use my hand now just to make sure that I'm gonna form it into potato pears. Okay. Just turn it into a ball like this. Yeah. Then we can just shape it into a pear. You know. Okay, and that's one. That is a small pear. We're gonna put the steam. So you got noodles here. Make it into steam. Look like a pear. Huh? Okay. Dip into the egg and then to the breadcrumbs.
Napit na pagkatapos ng ano na yung kain.
Oh, this is the finished product. Amberjack crispy fried cakes, and we got this is gonna be served with sweet Thai sauce, okay, chili sauce. What you can get from there or from here, you can get from there. This is the sauce, the sweet Thai chili sauce. It's a little bit spicy, but mild, not really hot. You know, I put less of the ingredients in there. Yeah. What's that? Okay. Come over and try to taste this crispy Amberjack cakes.
It's so tasty.
Yeah?
And it's creamy. Look. The fish.
Okay. That's right.
Very nice. And the sauce is combination. Thank you. Love it.
Try the cakes first.
Judge number 2.
This is the sweet Thai chili sauce. Yeah. Mild spicy. Not really hot.
The cream is nice.
Yeah. Just with peanuts as well, cucumber, you know. Yeah.
I like the sauce. I'll try the potato.
Yeah, come. Yeah.
Thank you.
Pakikuha nyo, okay, di ko
Sarap.
Nice. Okay. Well, thank you.
Napakasarap. Yummy, yummy.
It's crispy, right?
Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Try this one. You see the crunch?
So,
You can hear the crunch when you bite it.
pangsandok sa kanin,
Yeah?
please.
Nice.
Bye.
And when you dip it into the sauce, it's really good because the sweetness and the hotness of the sauce, it makes the crispy Amberjack cakes really good.
Sarap ng isda.
Let me try it at home.
Ang sarap.
Alright, Mom's already barbecuing the pork. We got barbecue chicken over there. Woo!
This one I turned into pear-shaped, but this one is a croquet one.
Nice.
And one is croquet, yeah.
That
Another
piece
one is
looks
round.
wow. Alright guys, that's about it for the video. We hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next one.